Artificial grass is a great way to add a lush green lawn to your outdoor space with minimal maintenance. We will walk you through the steps to lay your artificial grass and have a beautiful lawn in no time. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. The first step is to prepare the area where you want to lay your artificial grass. You'll need to remove any existing grass or plants and level the ground. Make sure to remove any large stones or debris, and if necessary, fill any low spots with soil or sand. Use a tape measure to measure the area where the grass will be planted. Then determine the best way to lay the grass by creating as few seams and residual pieces as possible. Now that you know the measurements, it's time to choose the type of grass that's right for your project. Visit a Koiman store near you and browse the selection, taking into account factors such as the grass's appearance, density, height, and price point. The denser the product is, the more resilient it is, and the more traffic it can take without fibers matting. A shorter product is usually used for athletic areas such as sports fields or backyards with heavy foot traffic. A taller product is usually used for aesthetic-only purposes, like a front or backyard. You'll also need pressure distributing cloth to go under the grass, so be sure to purchase enough to cover the entire area. Roll out the pressure cloth over the base material, cutting it to size with a Stanley knife. Use anchors or gravel to secure the underlayment to the ground. Use a shovel to place gravel on the pressure cloth and level it with a rake. Remove the last stones and bumps. When rolling out the turf, make sure you are laying it against the grain. Be careful and ensure that you have an excess of 1 to 2 inches on both sides, allowing room for any necessary corrections. Use a sharp Stanley knife to cut the artificial grass diagonally from the bottom to avoid damaging the fibers. If there's an abnormal shape in your garden, measure its size and cut the necessary shape from the piece of grass so that the grass will fit around it. Once your artificial grass is in place, it's time to secure it. Begin by joining the seams before finishing the sides of the grass. Place the sides of the grass together and use anchors to secure the seam, ensuring that both sides are firmly in place. You can also use specialized grass tape to fix the seams at the bottom of the grass. Once all of the internal seams are secured, you can start finishing the edges. Use a Stanley knife to cut out the remaining parts of the edges and secure the grass with anchors. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn made of artificial grass. So go ahead and enjoy your lush, new lawn.